Sources indicate a significant development is underway at Honda headquarters. A comprehensive redesign is anticipated, extending beyond a mere refresh. The new design may incorporate sleeker aesthetics, potentially integrating retro-futuristic elements into the classic CB silhouette. However, the most significant update involves the engine. Speculation suggests a transition from the traditional air-cooled engine to a liquid-cooled power plant. While this may concern traditionalists, the benefits are considerable. This change isn't solely for emissions compliance. It also promises increased power, smoother power delivery, and a potential increase in engine displacement. Some rumors even suggest a possible CB1300 variant in the future, but further information is needed. Technologically, expect a comprehensive suite of rider assistance systems. This includes cornering ABS, traction control optimized for real-world performance, and potentially semi-active suspension derived from the Fireblade. This would allow the CB1100 to offer both sporting capability on winding roads and comfortable cruising on the open road. The price remains a key point of speculation. However, a premium over the previous model is anticipated. The expected price point may position it competitively with certain European rivals. Nevertheless, this reflects the enhanced features and overall value proposition. The 2026 Honda CB1100 has generated considerable buzz, and whether it will live up to the hype remains to be seen. Honda has certainly captured the attention of enthusiasts. If even half of the rumored features materialize, this could be a truly exceptional motorcycle. Stay tuned for further updates as they become available. We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section. Will Honda deliver a groundbreaking model, or will it fall short of expectations? The anticipation is palpable.